My name's Todd McLeod, and I want to tell you about my class for learning how to create websites. It's an HTML and CSS tutorial, and I think it's the best class in the entire world for learning how to build your own websites, because it's going to give you a super solid foundation in understanding how websites are built, understanding HTML and CSS. I want to show you the course resources here. So here's the outline for the course, and just take a look at how thoroughly I've put that together. That is the table of contents, and it is quite long. And so here is one of the first lectures, having fun with HTTP status codes. And notice the descriptions and the links. And over here, if you take a look, you'll see that this entire outline is 297 pages long. The outline in and of itself is 300 pages long. That's how thorough and comprehensive this course is. So this course is available to you on Greater Commons. If you purchase it, you will have lifetime access to the course. And if you're somewhere in the world where $20 is like a month's wage and you can't afford the course, but you want to take it, just find me on Twitter. My name's Todd McLeod. Message me, explain to me your circumstances, and I will either give you discounted access or free access to the entire course. So this is the best course in the entire world for learning how to build websites. You absolutely need to have an understanding, a foundation in HTML and CSS. And this is going to teach you the latest and the greatest, Flexbox, everything, how to build websites using today's best practices. It's a semester-long college, university level course, and it's over 30 hours of video instruction. So if you were to take this from me at the university, it would be like we'd get together 3-4 hours a week for 18 weeks. That adds up to a lot of lecture. So this is the best class in the entire world, super comprehensive, super affordable. Go to greatercommons.com. You'll find the link down here beneath this video. Click on it, gain access to the course. Come on in, start learning the fundamentals, the foundations of programming and how to build websites with this HTML, CSS course. I know you're going to love it, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Bye. Oh, please hit like on this video and hit subscribe. That helps other people find this video, and you know, that will help them find the course, and then that helps support me as a teacher. Thank you very much for hitting like and subscribe. All right, see you in class. Bye.